Hola, welcome to Fan for Spanish Materials. This topic is going to be very short. Um, the we're going to talk about the irregular verbs we have in this new tense we are studying, which is the present perfect. Um, we know that I mean, we had studied before the irregular verbs for present tense. Remember, but every single tense in Spanish have different irregular verbs. The irregular verbs for present tense maybe are not the same for the present perfect and not the same for the other tenses. So now that we are introducing a new tense, yeah, so we have to also study the irregular verbs for this tense. Remember the present perfect is when you say I have done, yo he comido, yo he trabajado. We talked about the endings ado, ido, remember? Ado for AR verbs. Yo he trabajado, yo he caminado, yo he cocinado. And for ER and IR verbs, we have the ido, comer, yo he comido, vivir, yo he vivido, and so on. Now, but not all of the verbs follow the pattern. And these ones here are the irregular verbs. Yeah. These are the main irregular verbs, um, if not all of them. So let's have a look at them. They don't follow the pattern. That means they don't have the ado, ido ending. Yeah. Let's say you might think, oh, ver. Okay, I have seen. So yo he vido, right? You might think vido. No, it doesn't work like that. It's irregular. So yo he visto. This is the correct conjugation because it's irregular. Escribir. Escrito, yo he escrito. Hacer, done. Yo he hecho. Said, I have said. Yo he dicho. Volver, to come back. Yo he vuelto. I have come back. Romper, to break. I have broken. Yo he roto. Poner, to put. Yo he puesto. Componer, to compose. Yo he compuesto. Revolver, yo he revuelto. In resolver, to resolve, yo he resuelto. So here you have these irregular verbs. How to learn them? Of course, you're not going to learn them today, all of them, and master them and use them fluently. No, you're going to use one verb and then use it for the whole day, then use the next verb, use it for an entire day, then take this verb, use it for another day. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 verbs. In 10 days, you're going to nail them all. Yeah. Now, there are some verbs that are not very, there you don't use them all the time. From time to time you use them. Like, for example, componer is to compose, like a song. Yeah. Or revolver is to stir, like when you stir your coffee with or food, you stir the food. So these verbs are not very used, are not used a lot. So, but still learn them just for the sake of improving your vocabulary. So that will be it. These are the regular verbs we have for the present perfect, and not just the present perfect, but for all of the other perfect tenses. Yeah. We're going to see that later. Don't worry about that. But yeah, I hope you learn these verbs one by one. And yeah, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Hasta luego. Bye bye.